We are here with DeAndre, the pitmaster for Soul and Smoke. You just won on a Good Morning America. Tell us about that experience.
Man, it was an awesome experience. I was really happy to be representing Chicago as one of the top pit masters here in the city. And yeah, it's just always love. You know, we got a bunch of pit masters from all over the country here right in front of the United Center, you know, all part of the Windy City Smokeout.
So your winning dish, it was the wings, right?
Yeah, so it's the wings that we got on the menu in Evanston. It's our buttermilk brine, all natural wings. I get it from Harrison's Chicken. I marinate it for 48 hours. I pre-smoke them over hickory and cherry wood, and then I pick them up on the charcoal grill. And that's exactly what we did for the competition. And I topped it off with my signature sauce. I did had a dipping sauce for them, which is my homemade buttermilk ranch sauce.
You got the giant check, $10,000.
10 G's.
And so tell us a little bit about the charity that you were playing for or working for.
Yeah, so it's a charity that we all used to here in Chicago. It's called Chicago Chef's Cook. It's one of the most humble and, you know, more active charities here in Chicago. You know, we really involved with the community, and I really want to do something nice for Chicago Chef's Cook because we always doing nice things for, you know, people all over the country.
So at the festival here, you are doing pulled pork nachos. I was standing in the kitchen, and they're flying out the door.
Yeah.
Tell us, like, you're smoking those on the big green egg. Tell us, how long are those smoking on there for?
Yeah, so we smoking those for 14 hours on a big green egg. The nachos are amazing. So we got a house-made pimento cheese there. We got our pork that we smoked on a big green egg over there over hardwood charcoal. We topped it off with our homemade barbecue sauce. People in Chicago, they know about it because it's some of the best-selling local barbecue sauce in Mariano's. We got some giardiniera on there, and bam, there you go.
And giardiniera, you're using a local giardiniera. Who are you using?
I'm using JB Gaziano, baby.
Oh my gosh, that looks so amazing. And then you're also doing the buttermilk biscuit too, or what?
Yeah, no, we do. Yeah. Well, it might look like a biscuit, but it's not. So it's actually it's our brown butter cornbread that is very popular on the menu. But we kind of switched it up for Windy City Smokeout. We added a jalapeno pepper jelly glaze on top of it to get kind of like that sweet heat corn flavor. It is so good, and people are really loving it.
Honestly, when I saw the shape of it, I feel biscuit with the shape of it. But I'm telling you right now, let's cut that in half. Let's make like a brisket sandwich. Like,
right? Yeah.
Sandwich with that. Last and final question.
Okay.
When you go out in Chicago to eat, where are you going to Chicago? Where are you going to eat?
Oh, some of my favorite places in Chicago. I like Prairie Grass, which is kind of less outside of Chicago, you know, suburb. But I go to places like Luella's. I go to places like Boca. Who else I like? It's kind of you got me on the spot right now because I want to be.
We just recently went to Prairie Grass.
Yeah.
My daughter loved the chicken cutlets. Have you ever had that with the caper sauce and lemon butter? What's your favorite dish at Sarah's restaurant?
Oh, at Sarah's restaurant, hands down. Have you ever tried her deviled eggs there?
We did.
Deviled eggs are so good.
Deviled eggs are so good. She gets them from a local farm. Everything that she has there is farm to table, so local. Thank you so much for sharing the love with Sarah, and you got to come out here, Windy City Smokeout. And even if you're not Windy City Smokeout, Soul and Smoke, their new Evanston location opening soon. Right, we got to go there.
Yeah, opening soon. We got about 8 more weeks, guys, and it's a full-service restaurant. You know, we got an open pit room. You know, open kitchen. It's gonna be like a barbecue experience like none other. You guys gotta come check it out. Be visiting us soon. We'll be, like I said, like 8 to 10 more weeks.
There you go, Soul and Smoke. That's where you gotta go.